Kung paulit-ulit mong pinapatunayan ang sarili mo, baka hindi ikaw ang problema. Hi, it's me again, it's Ding Dong, and welcome again to another Random Thoughts. Pero alam mo yung nakakapagod? Yung parang laging kailangan mong i-explain kung bakit ka worth it. Pero alam mo yung real talk? Yung tipong kahit anong gawin mo, kahit anong effort mo, kung hindi ka nila nakikita, they still won't. Kasi alam mo kung bakit? You don't have to perform for people who've already decided you're not worth it. Your worth isn't a debate. It's a fact. So, for the right people, hindi mo na kailangan ipaliwanag pa yun. So, stop proving to people who already decided not to value you. Hindi mo kailangan magpaliwanag sa ibang tao kung ano ang value mo. Kung paulit-ulit mong pinapatunayan ang sarili mo, baka hindi ikaw ang problema.